Hey, so today I'm going to be going over a pretty common use case that I see in Salesforce instances, and that is round robin routing. So to begin, I'm on an opportunity here, and let's say we assign our project managers upon closed won. Now, normally what you would do is manually assign this, right? But in this case, what we're actually going to leverage is this round robin assigner. And this is actually created by Salesforce Labs. It's a free package that you can go onto the App Exchange. And as the description reads here, you can assign any object sequentially and evenly to members of a public group. And so what that means is that we can, as something is closed won, we can assign it out to our different project managers. And so in this case here, with this fun little example, I created a public group where I have a couple different project managers that are going to be assigned projects. And I have this flow here where basically I'm saying, hey, anytime an opportunity is closed won, I am going to do a couple things, right? So here when the stage name is closed won, I am going to kick off this Apex action, which you installed like this. I didn't code this at all. This is all installed by the package. And you'll just assign it a couple different values, right? So the name of the group, and then the record and the field name is going to be updated. So in this case, right, we're assigning our project managers. My group name I got from my public group. The record ID is passed from the flow, and then the field name, you would just, if you have a custom field or maybe just the owner field, you would put that there, and that's how it'll assign it. So let me show you real quick. If I come back here to my example, let's close this opportunity. I'll select stage as closed won, and if you notice here, my project manager is blank. So now if I select the closed stage, let's do it to closed won and save, you'll see it'll auto update to James Kirk. Awesome. And just to show you how this is working, let me actually take this back to a previous stage and let's put it at closed won again so you can see how it actually round robins it, right? So now let's select the closed stage, let's close won it again, and we can see it'll actually update it to a different project manager. Jean-Luc Picard now gets selected. And so the great part here is that this actually flows over to my GUIDEcx instance. And so now it's created a couple projects over my GUIDEcx instance. So if I come over here and reload my page, we're going to see, let's see, what do we call this opportunity? The cage. We come back here and we should see a couple new projects created. Yep, and we can see the cage got created, and Jean-Luc Picard is our project manager, which is awesome. It also pulls over stuff like the value of the op, all that great stuff. And this here was also pretty easy. I didn't do hardly any coding here as well. What I did was I leveraged the brand new marketplace recipe builder, where basically, what I did here is I came over here to the community tab, and then searched GUIDEcx up here, and there's a bunch of pre-built recipes that they have for you. And so if I just come in here and type in GUIDEcx, all these pre-built recipes, such as sending a GUIDEcx project to Salesforce, getting something from Salesforce into Guide, you're able to do. And so I just downloaded one of these projects, and it landed me here in my recipes. So if I come in here into my Salesforce folder, it created this recipe automatically, and all I had to do was come and populate stuff like my Salesforce instance and also my GUIDEcx instance. And then it was good to go, right? So this here, I did not build this. I am lazy. I did not do this. And so I really love leveraging this recipe builder. You can also come in here and customize it, right? So if I wanted to, I could stop this recipe and edit it. But yeah, that's a quick way. I always see this as a pretty common use case. Round robin, right, being able to auto assign project managers, or maybe it's SDRs, but being able to round robin them. So yeah, hope you found this tutorial helpful. Cheers.